So I just got out of the shower and I'm going to blow dry my hair. I use this Revlon, gosh, I don't even know what it's called. I'm sure you've seen this before. It's amazing. So this is what I'm going to use in my hair, the Olaplex number 6, the Bond Smoother. You could put this on dry too, just to like smooth any flyaways or anything like that. And then this, it's a 10 Silk Express Miracle Silk Leave-In. This is really good if you're prone to having really knotted hair. I don't, my hair like never knots. It's weird. Usually hair textures with like a really silky texture, like my daughter's hair, for instance, gets tangled so bad, but my hair never does. But this is like a heat protectant and everything, so and I'm just gonna use a little bit of this, like that much, because my hair is not thick at all. It looks crazy thick when it's curly, but it's very deceiving. It's actually, I don't have that much hair. That's like it. And then I'm gonna show you how I've been styling my hair with the Duvolle curling wand. It's seriously, I didn't wash my hair for 4 days. It was great. Today was the 4th day and I washed it. And I never go that long without washing my hair because it does get oily quick. But I was using dry shampoo, but the actual like wave just lasted so long. It was so nice. Let me get my hair dried and my makeup done and I'll be back. Man, the power of makeup. Okay, so this is the curling wand. And I'm just gonna insert some clips of close-ups and some information about the curling wand and also a coupon code for you guys.
Okay, so the iron itself is made of tourmaline, which fights frizz and static, and the infrared heat technology deeply penetrates and distributes heat, and it reduces heat damage, so it's really good for your hair. And all of the tools maintain an even temperature, so you know you're going to get a nice even curl all throughout. And it also comes with a heat-resistant glove. If you would like a tool of your own, you can get a curling wand or a flat iron. Just use code 70gen at checkout for 70% off your order. I will have the link to Duvolle's website down below in the description box so you can check them out.
Alright, so I'm going to plug it in, and here's the on-off switch. And I'm just going to let it heat up for a few seconds here. And like I said, it does come with a glove. You can use that if you're just beginning with using a wand, and you're gonna wrap it around the barrel. This is why sometimes it's good to have the glove, because you kind of want to get close and you don't want to burn your fingers. You just hold it there for like about 10 seconds or so. What I like to do there sometimes is just kind of like rub it, like just smooth it at the root a little bit like that, and it takes down some of the frizz. And then I take this and wrap that around. Don't take too big of sections, because then you're not gonna get, it's not gonna penetrate through all the hair and you won't get like a smooth, even waves. All right, this might be better. I just didn't wanna knock it over. And don't like comb through it with your fingers or anything until it cools off. And then for this side, you're gonna do like this, and you're gonna wrap it towards the back. Same thing. Okay guys, so here is the finished product. I'm like good at one side and not the other, I guess, because you know, I'm right-handed. This side comes better, I don't know. But I'm just gonna run my fingers through it now and just like gently pull it out. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is like my favorite way to do my hair now. I never flat iron my hair anymore because it just does not look good on me. I just look, I don't know, my hair's like, it's a lot thinner than it used to be. And I don't like it flat, you know? I like how this gives me body. I'm gonna go into some natural light here. My bathroom has like the weirdest lighting, but yeah. And my hair is shiny. So I will have Duvolle's website down below so you can check them out. They have The one I'm using is the 32 millimeter. They have a smaller one, I believe it's 25, and they also have flat irons, and they also have some nice facial cleansing brush system, so definitely check them out. And if you want to get yourself something, make sure you use my code. It's 70Jen at checkout, so you can get 70% off, like I said, on your order. So check them out.